if I am frying cashew nut and it goes on top of chicken, it has to be something like Chinese style. And we all love Indian chili chicken, the Chinese style and all that. But if you go to China, you will nowhere find these kind of chickens. These are all developed in India and eaten especially in India. And also I have seen some of the Indian restaurants in US and other places also serving this. With cashew nut, the chili chicken is going to be super tasty. When the chicken is ready, you are going to see the beautiful, delicate chicken pieces with this nice sauce that you're going to love it. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at vareva.com. First, let's fry this cashew nut till they are slightly colored. You do not want it to be too much. In fact, this is too much. Even after you keep them out for some time, they will color even more. And now, I'm going to fry the chicken. These chicken pieces have been brined in salt water. All you do is take these chicken pieces, put in the salt water at least for 3 hours. After that, you fry them. You do fried chicken or anything, the chicken will be nice and juicy. And also, there will be taste inside because the salt water has penetrated in. For making it a little bit Indianized aroma, add a little bit of chili powder. In this, little bit of ginger garlic paste, little bit of chili sauce, little bit of soya sauce, not much, very little. Add some corn flour, add a little bit of maida. A lot of street vendors, they add too much of these flours. It should be slightly coated, that's when you will love it. And also add a little bit of egg white. Mix this chicken well. In this, add some oil. A lot of times, some people make the chili chicken red and some people make it dark with soya sauce. I'm going to use a little bit of red coloring here. It is optional. If you want, you can add it. One problem for me when I'm adding Kashmiri chili powder to color my chicken is when you fry, the oil will get totally discolored. Here, the chicken pieces, fry on medium flame till they are nice and perfectly cooked for at least 7-8 minutes. Look at the pieces, nice and perfect. They should be juicy and soft. Look at that. Now, the chicken pieces are coated with very little flour, yet the pieces will just melt in your mouth. Perfect. Now, let's make that awesome chili flavored sauce. For making Chinese sauces, you already have sauces which are pre-made like soya sauce. We're going to add all of this to chicken stock. When you use chicken stock, that's when you get the real flavor. So here, soya sauce. Here is the rice vinegar. Add a little bit of brown sugar, chili sauce, a little bit of flavoring salt. You can add the garlic and ginger. You know, in the hotels, what we do is, we make this stock ready, the chicken stock, we put all of this, and for the evening, we keep this ready. All you do is, put it in a hot wok, and then, just bring it to a nice boil, and it will be tasting perfect. So, we do not want to mess around with the taste. So, what we do is, we check the taste beforehand. So, make sure everything is mixed, and it should be perfect. If you want, you can also add a little bit of coriander powder and jeera powder to it. No one can tell you this is wrong. As long as it tastes good to your tongue, it is the best dish. A little more of the soya sauce, some pepper powder, and that should be good. Make sure this is tasty now. You don't have to worry about how the dish will turn out. They say never add salt. The ingredients what you add naturally, the chili sauce, the soya sauce, everything has salt. That should be perfect. Then your dish will be too good. The whole thing is ready. Add a little bit of oil. Now this oil has to become very, very tasty. How is this going to become? By adding chilies. The chili will give that extra real nice punch. When you add the chilies have to kind of discolor. They will get black and the oil will get all the aroma from there. In this, add onion, capsicum, and just give one little toss. In this, add the slurry. You don't even have to fry those capsicum, everything. By the time this is done, it will be perfect. Bring this to a nice boil, the chicken stock, and with all these flavorings, it will be awesome. In this, add the chicken pieces. After adding the chicken pieces, again you have to bring this to a boil. Let this chicken suck in some sauces, and this will be the heat is making me almost cough now. Once these chicken pieces also start boiling in this, if you want a lot of sauce, you want to eat it with rice, you can keep all the stock. Otherwise, just stir fry and the sauce will be reduced in no time. Take this corn flour slurry, add little by little, and just toss it, and the sauce will automatically become thick. Look at this, the sauce consistency. Finish it off by adding a little bit of sesame seed oil. That's it. That will give that extra kick. Now serve it in a plate. Top it off with some pieces of cashew nut and spring onion. Look at this sauce, nice, perfect, delicate, and the chicken pieces are just sizzling and hot. The chili flavor is what will make this very, very special. So let's enjoy. When you have this good chicken, the crunchy vegetables, a piece of cashew nut, the hotness from the chili, the extracted aroma is what makes this very special. Just absolutely perfect. Keep cooking and enjoy great food every day. Eat it with some fried rice, simple rice, anything. This will be fantastic. Watch another Wow Magic with Chef Mani.